Good morning, welcome to Goodwill. In this video presentation we will see how we can trade in Nifty index option today. Before looking into that, let us see what happened yesterday and what we expected yesterday. The chart you are seeing is 7-minute candlestick chart, and this candlestick indicates yesterday's price opening, which shows that the price opened at 10,570. So we expected the price to stay in downtrend, so right after the opening it tries to come down, but finally 10,560 provided some support and closed near 10,579. So we didn't witness a volatile market yesterday. It looks like a flat neutral market. What we tried to do, we tried to buy 10,350 put option. So the price opened near 20 and closed near 817. So we didn't had much price movement in the option premium also. What we can do today it's expected to open somewhere near or within 10,570s and 10,560s. There is no change in our strategy. Still we expect the index futures or Nifty index to stay in downtrend for today. So again we will be buying 10,350 put option. Maybe the price can trade near 20, so you can buy. The maximum loss you can incur will be 20 points. So let's see what's going to happen during the trading session, and thanks a lot for watching our videos. Happy trading, take care, bye.